my dear student. Good morning to all. Welcome back again on our online classes. I am Preeti, your maths teacher from Sanskar the Gurukul International School. So today we are going to learn in previous classes. In previous classes we have learned lesson 7, addition table and jod talika. Okay. So yesterday we have completed the table of how can read and how can write the table of 1 to 6 and how can read in English, how can read in Hindi. I will told you in video. So today we are going to learn our next table 6 to 10. How can read, how can write and how can learn. How can learn this addition table of 6 to 10. So let's get start. So my dear student, in last class we have read the table of addition table of 1 to 6 and today we are going to read the table of addition table of 7 to 10. How can read this table? Let us see and repeat after me. Okay. Now, so start addition table of 7. How can read this table? 7 और 1 8. 7 और 1 8. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 7 plus 1 8. When start 7 और 2 9. 7 और 2 9. When we are added 7 plus 2 equal to we get 9 answer. 7 plus 2 9 and 7 और 3 10. 7 और 3 10. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 7 plus 3 10. Next 7 और 4 11. 7 और 4 11. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 7 plus 4 11 and 7 और 5 12. 7 और 5 12. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 7 plus 5 12. 7 और 6 13. 7 और 6 13. 7 plus 6 equal to 13. 7 plus 6 13. 7 और 7 14. 7 और 7 14. 7 plus 7 equal to 14. 7 plus 7 14. 7 और 8 15. 7 और 8 15. 7 plus 8 15. 7 plus 8 15. 7 और 9 16. 7 और 9 16. 7 plus 9 equal to 16. 7 plus 9 equal to 16. 7 plus 9 16. 7 और 10 13 17. 7 और 10 17. 7 plus 10 17. 7 plus 10 17. Complete the addition table of 7. Now next addition table of 8. 8 की जोड़ तालिका. So let's get start. How can read this table? 8 और 1 9. Say after me. 8 और 1 9. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 8 plus 1 9. 8 और 2 10. 8 plus 2 10. 8 plus 2 10. 8 और 3 11. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 8 plus 3 11. 8 और 4 12. 8 और 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. Okay. 8 और 5 13. 8 और 5 13. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. 8 plus 5 13. 8 और 6 14. 8 और 6 14. 8 plus 6 14. 8 plus 6 14. 8 और 7 15. 8 और 7 15. 8 plus 7 15. 8 plus 7 15. 8 और 8 16, 8 plus 8 16, 8 plus 8 16. 8 और 9 17, 8 plus 9 equal to 17, 8 plus 9 17. 8 और 10 18, 8 और 10 18, 8 plus 10 18, 8 plus 10 18. Complete? The table of 8 also complete. So my dear children, please to learn spelling also, okay? EIGHT 8. What's the spelling of 8? EIGST 8 plus FPLUS plus 1 ONE 1 and NINE 9. Okay? Please do remember all the spellings in Hindi and in English and Hindi also. Okay, how can write in Hindi and how can write in English, how can do adding this number, all are please concentrate in this table and please learn it. Okay, so see another next table, addition table of 9. How can add the table of 9? See, 9 और 1 10. Say after me, repeat after me. 9 और 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. 9 और 2 11, 9 और 2 11, 9 plus 2 11, 9 plus 2 11. 9 और 3 12, 9 plus 3 12, 9 plus 3 12. 9 और 4 13, 9 plus 4 13, 9 plus 4 13. And 9 और 5 14, 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 5 14. 9 और 6 15, 9 और 6 15, 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 6 15. 9 और 7 16, 9 और 7 16, 9 plus 7 16, 9 plus 7 16. 9 और 8 17, 9 और 8 17, 9 plus 8 equal to 17, 9 plus 8 17. 9 और 9 18, 9 और 9 18, 9 plus 9 18, 9 plus 9 18. 9 और 10 19, 9 plus 10 19, 9 plus 10 19 19, 9 plus 10 19. Okay, so see one more table are here, the table of 10. We have read table of 9 8 and 7 and we are going to read also table 10, the last table of this lesson, table of 10. So let us read. 10 और 1 11, 10 और 1 11, 10 plus 1 equal to 11, 10 plus 1 11. 10 और 2 12, 10 और 2 12, 10 plus 2 12, 10 plus 2 12. 10 और 3 13, 10 plus 3 equal to 13, 10 plus 3 13. 10 और 4 14, 10 plus 4 equal to 14, 10 plus 4 14. 10 और 5 15, 10 plus 5 15, 10 plus 5 15. 10 और 6 16, 10 plus 6 16, 10 plus 6 16. 10 और 7 17, 10 plus 7 17, 10 plus 7 17. 10 और 8 18, 10 plus 8 18, 10 plus 8 18. 10 और 9 19, plus 9 19, 10 plus 9 19. 10 और 10 20, 10 plus 10 equal to 20, 10 plus 10 20. Complete? All table are complete? सो स्टूडेंट आपको समझ आ गई कि आपको कैसे रीड करनी है, कैसे पढ़नी है. द टेबल ऑफ 10, how can write in English and how can write in Hindi. Both of our learn, okay, and write in your notes copy the table of 7 to 10. In previous classes I told you now 1 to 6 table you have write in your notes copy. Then next today you all of are please write down in your copy table of 7 to 10. Okay.